Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
As you continue your walk along 14th Street, the atmosphere begins to undergo a profound shift. You're leaving the wide open, light-filled vistas of the National Mall and approaching a space that's intentionally challenging your sense of comfort. The United States Holocaust Memorial Museum does not sit quietly among its neighbors. Its very presence is a deliberate, somber interruption of the monumental landscape. Walking towards its entrance, you realize that this is not just another museum visit. It is a transition into a space of witnessing. The architecture of the building, designed by James Ingo Fried, begins to speak to you before you even cross the threshold. Unlike the gleaming white marble of the Jefferson or the Lincoln, the materials here, industrial brick, heavy steel and glass, feel raw and deliberate. The design is meant to evoke the structure of the Holocaust without explicitly mimicking them. You'll notice the way the light is restricted, the way the walls seem to lean, and the presence of heavy iron-like details. It is an architecture of displacement designed to make you feel the weight of history contained inside. This approach is a vital part of the experience. In a city built to celebrate triumph and democratic ideals, this museum serves as a necessary, harrowing counter-narrative. It reminds us of what happens when those ideals fail, when the holy fire of liberty that Jefferson spoke of is extinguished by hatred and indifference. As you draw closer, the noise of the city seems to recede, replaced by a heavy, expectant silence. You see visitors from all over the world standing in line, often in a state of quiet reflection even before they enter. The museum's location just steps from the monuments to the nation's founders is a powerful choice. It forces a conversation between the American promise and the darkest chapter of human history. To walk here is to acknowledge that memory is a responsibility. It is a place that asks you to look at the unthinkable so that it might never be repeated. As you reach the entrance, the scale of the task ahead becomes clear. You aren't just here to look at artifacts. You're here to engage with the stories of millions. The transition from the sunny open sidewalk of the 14th Street into the controlled, somber environment of the museum is one of the most powerful movements in all of Washington. It is a journey from the light of the present into the shadows of the past, taken with the hope that by remembering, we might better navigate the future. Standing at the doors, with the Washington Monument still visible in the distance, you feel the full gravity of the site. It stands as a permanent sentience on the National Mall, a reminder that the price of liberty is not just eternal vigilance, but also eternal memory. You're now ready to step inside and bear witness.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.